Evair Dehumidifiers RL series from Dry Steam offer application flexibility with water removal capacities from 70 to 710 pints per day, making this family of dehumidifiers perfect for manufacturing, food processing, breweries, storage, and countless other applications. These refrigerant-based dehumidifiers pass incoming air over an evaporator coil to drop the air temperature below the dew point of the air. Moisture is removed from the air and drained to municipal wastewater or a floor drain. The air is then reheated in the condenser coil, and the dry air exits the unit. Dehumidification occurs until the set point is reached, and the unit shuts off until the controller receives another call for dehumidification. There are many reasons for dehumidification. Among the most pressing, we see prevent damage to sensitive instruments, create environments that support indoor plant growth, minimize the risk of equipment failure, preserve the condition of stored equipment and artifacts, safeguard against the spread of mold and bacteria in dry storage and warehouses. RL Series dehumidifiers can be applied for continuous, application-specific humidity control or for incidental remediation of excessive humidity in the air. Units can be suspended from the ceiling or installed at ground level, and ducting options allow for units to be separate from the environment, saving space and allowing for easy maintenance access. Speaking of maintenance, these units are so easy to maintain. Other than changing the incoming air filter every few months, which takes about 2 minutes, there are no scheduled shutdowns or other maintenance tasks. Model RL31 features a compressor that can modulate the number of BTUs supplied to the refrigeration system. This variable speed, low-grain refrigerant feature gives our largest dehumidifier a gas pedal rather than an on-off switch. The sophisticated refrigeration system monitors the temperature of the coil and regulates the BTU output of the compressor. This significantly delays defrost mode, allowing for continuous moisture removal for the longest durations possible. The onboard controller monitors relative humidity and displays the measured relative humidity on the digital display. Additional control options include a duct or room backnet humidistat or comprehensive control with Dry Steam's D77 controller. Controller model D77 allows the user to adjust the relative humidity set point and turn dehumidification on or off from a convenient location. All controllers feature a digital display, a control range of 35 to 80% relative humidity, and accuracy of plus or minus 5%. Customers who require reliable dehumidification with the most control for any application from comfort to critical will be satisfied with an Evair Dehumidifier RL series from Dry Steam.